In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your GoDaddy email to your phone's mail app. If you want to check your business or custom domain email directly from your phone, the good news is that the setup is usually quick and straightforward. In most cases, your mail app can automatically find the correct settings for you, which makes the process much easier. To get started, open the settings area for the mail app on your phone. Depending on your device, this may be inside the main settings app under Mail, Accounts, or Passwords and Accounts, or it may be inside the Mail app itself. Once you're in the right place, look for the option to add a new account. When you see the list of account types, choose Microsoft Exchange if that option is available. On some phones, you may instead see Outlook or IMAP. If your device offers one of those, and that's what matches your setup screen, select it and continue. The exact wording can vary a little, depending on the phone model and software version, so don't worry if it doesn't look exactly the same. Next, enter your GoDaddy email address and your email password. Take a moment here to make sure everything is typed correctly, especially the full email address. A small typo can prevent the account from connecting properly, so it's worth double checking before moving on. After that, allow the mail app to automatically detect the server settings. This is the easiest option because your phone will try to find the correct incoming and outgoing mail details for you. In many cases, this only takes a few seconds. If your screen pauses for a moment while it verifies the account, that's completely normal. Once the settings are found and everything looks good, tap Save or Done to finish adding the account. At that point, your email should begin syncing to your phone. Depending on your connection and how much mail is in the inbox, it may take a short time for all messages to appear. If you don't see your messages right away, give it a minute and then open the mail app again to check. As long as the email address and password were entered correctly and the app detected the settings successfully, your account should be ready to use. And that's it. You've now added your GoDaddy email to your phone's mail app so you can send, receive, and manage your messages on the go.